So today we're going to go through how to load your FireStick, put everything onto your FireStick or transfer files, apps onto your FireStick from your PC. A great method, a better method than some because you don't need a local connection. No ADB debugging needed. You can just install. So you can use one website, one app, and you can install stuff onto your FireStick personally. Brilliant. Before we do that, make sure you hit that follow button. And below we've got two screens. So over here is PC Windows. Down here is my FireStick. So you're going to need two things. On your FireStick, you will need an app called FireSend. You can go along with me. So you should all have this app anyway. So if you're using your FireStick, go to the store, the app store, the magnifying glass. Just search FireSend. FireSend. Click it and install it. You don't need to open it yet. And then on your PC, which we've got here, make sure you've got a web browser. It doesn't matter what web browser, whichever one you use. So open up your web browser. I'm going to use Chrome, and we're going to go to the website, firesend.download. Okay? And you get to the FireSend website. Nice and simple, nice and easy. I'm going to try and do it side by side, so you can always see what's going on. So on the FireSend website, we can make that bigger for you though. There we go. So on the FireSend website, there, what you need to do is you can just quick share, okay? 24 hours, so whatever files you put into this quick share will last in there for 24 hours and you can install them onto your streaming device, i.e. a FireStick. So click start now. And once in here, you'll see at the top is a room number, 43065 on mine. This room will not be around for when you're making a video. You make your own room number, you don't copy mine. And what you need to do, you can just scroll down and here you can just drop files to share. Okay, so you click a file, find one you want to install. Let me see if I've got any apps on my download file I can update quickly. Okay, so let's put that one there. There's an old app clone. I don't even know if this works, so there's no point going to copy this one. There we go. And what you'll notice is, in this room, 43065, that app is now in there, okay? So then, on your FireStick, Fire TV device, open up the FireSend you've already installed. If you haven't, again, magnifying glass, make sure you are on the latest version. Click it, open it. And all you have to do now, from here, is you go down to your room and you just type in that number. So join a room. And the number I had, obviously you will have your own number, is 43065. Click next, join that room. And what you'll see in that room is that file we just installed. Okay, so we uploaded on the PC. It's now in the room. You can download anywhere. So now we can download it on our FireStick. There we go, download complete. And then you can install it. And then you can do what you want with it. Obviously, like I say, this app is just for demonstration purposes. This app is an old version. I don't even know if it works. It won't be available if you type in that number. You create your own code, okay? What you'll also realise, you can delete once that's downloaded. You have this room open now. The room on your PC, if you wanted to, while it's open, you can upload another file. So let's add another file. I'll just find one quickly. I don't know what I've got down here. Okay, so I'm going to upload another file. And while it's open on the PC, the rooms are pretty quick to refresh themselves. So it's uploaded on the PC. You'll see it's already appeared on the FireStick. So that's there to be downloaded now as well. It's that quick. Okay. Ideally, you can do it back the other way as well if you want to, but you have to log in to do that. This video is not about that. Okay. This video is not about that. So that was quite simple. A lot of you have asked for how to load from your PC onto your FireStick. So all you have to do is get the app FireSend and visit the app FireSend on your PC. Then once you're on FireSend, have a look around. There's loads of other features you can do, whether it's quick sharing, taking apps off of devices. Giveaways are coming again soon. I'm going to probably start launching them back up the next few days, which is brilliant. So, I've been Dr. Squiffy. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully that was a good tip for you, and I'll see you soon.